Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 99, complete. Example. Alright, so another way to find an equivalent fraction is to divide. So before, in our previous videos, we were multiplying the top and the bottom, or the numerator and the denominator, by the same number to get equivalent fractions. We can also divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number to get equivalent fractions. So if you look at our example, 4 and they divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. So 4/6 is the same thing as 2 over 3, or 2/3. And if you look at the picture, 4/6, 1, 2, 3, 4, out of 6 is the same as 2/3. Alright? So 4/6 is equivalent to 2/3. So let's do number 16. And they give you the division problem to do. So 10 divided by 2, well, 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 10 over 12 is equivalent to 5 over 6. 17. So again, we want to divide, and we got to figure out what to divide to get to that number over here. So 6 divided by 6 equals 1. So again, if I'm dividing the top by 6, I'm going to divide the bottom by 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. Let's do the next one. Well, again, I want to divide the top and number and the bottom, the numerator and the denominator, by the same number. So 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. So again, I'm going to divide the top by 3 as well. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. 19. 6 divided by what gives me 3? Okay, so 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. And I'm going to divide the bottom, or the denominator, by the same number. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And last one. So 8, well, I'm going to divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. Now, this is tricky. What number divided by 2 is going to equal 5? Again, I'm not doing 5 divided by 2. I'm doing blank divided by 2 gives me 5. Alright, so if we think about that through, if 8 divided by 2 gives me 4, that means I need something greater than 8 to get 5. So I can't do 9 divided by 2. Well, let's think about 10. 10 divided by 2, well, yes, 10 divided by 2 does give me 5. So it's 10. And another way you can check that is by doing the check for division, which is multiplication. So 10 divided by 2 gives me 5, or 5 times 2 gives me 10. Let's do the next page. Complete the equivalent fraction, then write the fraction in simplest form. So simplest forms right over here, that means the lowest terms. That means we're looking for equivalent fractions, but the equivalent fraction that has the lowest possible numbers over here in the numerator and the denominator. So 8 going to 4, so we can do 8 divided by 2 gives me 4, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6, but we can also divide 8 in something else. We can also do 8 divided by 4 gives me 2, and if I'm going to divide the top by 4, I want to divide the bottom by 4 as well. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And here you can see that 2/3 is smaller or lower than 4 over 6. Even though they're the same fraction, remember they're equivalent fractions, 2/3 is a lowest term or simplest form of 4/6. So the simplest form is 2 over 3. So again, we're trying to find the simplest form of 6 over 12. So 6 over 12, I can divide my numbers. I can divide by 2. I can also divide by 3. Now, I can't divide evenly by 4. I can't do 6 divided by 5, but I can do 6 divided by 6. And I can also do 12 divided by 6. Alright, so let's fill these out. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3, well, that's 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So my simplest form would be this one over here. Oops, this one right over here, because it's my lowest term. So the simplest form of 6 over 12 is 1 over 2. Alright, so here you go. It says write each fraction in simplest forms. So again, I want to divide by the highest number I can to get the simplest form. Or I can divide over and over again. But for this case, I just want to try to divide by my 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s. And if I have to keep going, I'll keep going. But again, I want to divide by my highest number to get my lowest term or my simplest form. So over here, I can do 4 divided by 2. But I can divide by something higher than just 2. Now I can't do 4 divided by 3, but I can do 4 divided by 4, and here I can do 12 divided by 4 as well. Alright, so I can divide by 4s. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Oops, is 1. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. And there you go, I found my simplest term. So let's figure this out. So let's figure out what number I want to divide by. Should I divide by 2s? Well, I can't do 5 divided by 2. Can I divide by 3s? Can't do 5 divided by 3. Can't do 4s. Can't do 5 divided by 4. So I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 5s. Alright, so 5 divided by 5, and you know what? I'm going to put that right next to it. So I want to divide by 5 on top and divide by 5 on the bottom. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Alright, let's do the next one. Can I do 6 divided by 2? Well, yes, but I can't do 9 divided by 2. That won't work, so I can't do 2s. 6 divided by 3? Well, yes, I can do 6 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3? Yes, I can also do that, so that works. 4, 6 divided by 4? Nope. 5s? 6 divided by 5? Nope. And 6. 6 divided by 6? Yes, that works. 9 divided by 6? Well, I can't do that. So now I know I have to divide by 3s. So I got to do the top and the bottom by 3. Oops, divide by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, let's do this one over here. 8 divided by 2, that works. 10 divided by 2, oh, that also works. Can I do 3s? 8 divided by 3, nope. 4s. 8 divided by 4, yes, that works. 10 divided by 4, can't do 10 divided by 4, doesn't work. 5s, can't do 8 divided by 5. I can't do 8 divided by 6. I can't do 8 divided by 7. Oops, 7. And I can do 8 divided by 8, but I can't do 10 divided by 8, so that doesn't work over there either. And I can stop there because 8's my number. I can't go higher than 8. So now I know I want to divide by 2. So I'm going to divide by 2. 8 divided by 2, well, that's 4. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, 27. 6 divided by 2, yes. 8 divided by 2, yes, that works. 6 divided by 3, let's try 3's down. 6 divided by 3, yes, that works. 8 divided by 3, nope, doesn't work. 6 divided by 4, doesn't work. 6 divided by 5 doesn't work. And 6 divided by 6 works, but 8 divided by 6 does not work. So I know I want to divide the top and the bottom by 2's. So 6 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And the last one. 9 divided by 2 doesn't work. 9 divided by 3 works. And 12 divided by 3 works. 9 divided by 4 doesn't work. Divided by 5 does not work. 9 divided by 6 does not work. 9 divided by 7 does not work. 9 divided by 8 does not work. And 9 divided by 9. Oh, that works, but 12 divided by 9 does not work. Alright, so here we go. I know I want to divide by 3. And the bottom divide by 3 as well. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, and that's page 100.